In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Adobe Reader to Excel. First, right-click on your file, go to Open With, and select Adobe Acrobat to open the file in Adobe Acrobat. Once the file is open, click on the menu option at the top left corner of your screen. If you are using an older version of Adobe Acrobat, you will see a File option instead. Simply click on it. After that, a drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse over Export PDF, and a few more options will be displayed. From here, hover your mouse over Microsoft Excel, and then select Microsoft Excel Workbook. After that, choose the location on your device where you want to save the file. If you want the Excel file to open immediately after saving, you can check the View Result checkbox. Once you have selected the location and options, click on Save. After the export process is complete, you will see that the file has been successfully converted into an Excel file. If the formatting of the cells is not correct, you can adjust them manually. This is how you can convert a file from Adobe Reader to Excel.